quickly talk about the difference between trading versus investing. Investing is putting your money into something that's like long term. You're basically buying something and holding it for a long time. This is a long term goal. You use your money to buy something like an asset, like a stock, real estate, an index fund, and you make money when that thing goes up in value. It helps you to build wealth over time. So an example would be like, imagine if you had a seed and you planted the seed in the ground and you watered it every day and you give it some time to grow. It grows into a tree that gives you fruit every season. That is what investing is. It's letting your money do the work for you. You plant the seed and you just wait, and then you enjoy the fruits of your labor later. Trading is more short term. Instead of buying your money and holding it for a long period of time, you're trying to make money from short term price changes. It's like if you go to the store and you buy shoes for $100, and then in 10 minutes, the shoes are now worth $110. They go up by $10. Now your shoe is worth $110. And that price could keep going up or it could drop that same day. So it's a higher risk but higher reward. You get in for $100, it goes up $10, now you have $110. So you need to know, like, is this the highest it's gonna go? Should I get it out now? Or should I let it sit and go a little higher? It has the potential to go the other way too. You get in for $100, it could drop, and now you lost money. So that's why it's a little bit riskier. But you have to know what you're doing. You have to understand what you're trading, understand the market. There's so many strategies that you can do to help you with this. But in a nutshell, that's kind of what it is. With trading, you use tools like you analyze charts. You do a lot of like technical analysis. You keep up with the news of what's going on, and that helps you become more like a profitable trader. Whereas investing, whenever the stock market goes down, you buy in. You just buy and hold, buy and hold. You don't have to know anything about like technical analysis or anything. Just like buy and hold. Trading, you want to know what's going on, because like I said, it can go up or it can go down. You can get money or you can lose money. Which one should you do? A good question. If you're patient and you want long-term growth, you should invest. If you like analyzing things, analyzing charts, and you're okay with a little risk, then you want to trade. You also can do both. Some people invest in stocks and stuff, and then they still trade, because investing is long term and trading is short term. So you're helping your future self by investing in stocks, and you're helping your present self by trading every day. You can trade for extra quick income, whereas investing, you buy and hold, buy and hold. So which one are you? Do you feel like you're more of an investor or more of a trader? Do you want to know more about investing, or do you want to know more about trading? More about both? The freedom of trading is like, you don't have to go, all you need is a phone or a computer and internet. And you can literally be anywhere in the world trading. It happens all over the world. We're at a restaurant right now and we can still be in the middle of a trade. We don't have to go clock in somewhere to do it. So that's the good thing. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos from me. Anyway, I'm done talking. Time to eat.